We're going to take a live question now from Mampo. She's asked, how does one summarize the research title but still capture the essence of the study? I get the feeling this is a question on how best to really make a short and concise but clear title to a dissertation or thesis. Matthew, any hot takes on titling your thesis?
Yeah, so titling is a fun one. And there's some really fun sort of pseudo satirical articles in the literature that talk about titles of research and dissertations. And so I would just sort of throw that out there as a fun nugget for you to practice your literature review skills on. Go find those articles because there's a lot of commentary on this. So generally, I think that your dissertation title needs to be as succinct and clear as possible. It is an exploration of this thing under these conditions. I think that's the formula. As simple and direct as possible. I'm not a big fan of two-part dissertation titles. So sometimes people will have like a catchy little title and then a colon and then a big long almost paragraph of what their study does. Some universities allow that and some don't. I'm not a big fan of that. Remember that probably no one is going to read your dissertation after your committee approves it, okay? Another dissertation author might at some point, but when you're trying to get jobs, when you're trying to get that promotion, most of our clients at Grad Coach are not full-time academics. They're not trying to get professorships. They're trying to get jobs and promotions and trying to move within their industry and sector. And so those people who are hiring you in those spaces are not reading your dissertation, but they are reading your dissertation title on your resume. And so you want your title to be direct. You want it to be a little bit of jargon, but not overly full of jargon that people won't understand it. And again, the formula I think is very simple. An exploration of this thing under these conditions. Get in and get out. Remember, you're writing your title for your future employer who's reading it on your resume.